Ugh. Y'all don't know how it feels when you don't have chicken. This is the chicken video. Are you ready? Oh yeah, before this video starts, I just want to say, don't get offended by this video, because if you do, then don't watch the video, okay? Just to let you know. Let's get started. WTG, back with another video. Today we're gonna be talking about chicken, okay? You see this garbage can? It's disrespectful chicken. Come over here, cameraman. Look how disrespectful these people are. Throwing away my chicken. What place right there? Who does that? How dare you throw away chicken? Even when the bone is gone, feed it to your dogs. Don't throw it away to waste all. To make more pollution in the air. Don't throw away my chicken. That's disrespecting my chicken. My chicken. So what I need to do is this. Stupid wall. Stupid Trump wall. I always want to eat old chicken. Wall. Chicken. Disrespectful chicken. How dare you, Wall? You see that? You see that sign over there? You see that sign? This is how much disrespectful it is. Stupid. That's how disrespectful. The sign disrespectful. It says no chicken allowed. How dare you? Don't disrespect no chicken.
Wow.
Scene. Look at this. You see this McDonald's? You see McDonald's? Disrespect my chicken. Disrespect my chicken. I don't like McDonald's. I don't know why I'm touching the box. Stupid chicken. Tired of this. Tired of people disrespecting my chicken. You gotta give a message by saying don't disrespect no chicken. No chicken, man. Doesn't make any sense. Why? Why I disrespect on chicken? Gotta throw it away. Waste food, chicken. You got poison on chicken. I can't take it anymore. Got disrespect on chicken.